Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very short, simple but sweet makeover for you. So I went to my sister's house. This was actually a while ago. I did this before I even did the bricks, and she's always wanted to paint her living room white, her living room, dining room. And so I said, well, let's go ahead and paint it and we'll do one room at a time. So we were starting in her dining room, and you know, she's been busy raising babies. She also has a very minimal style, but minimal to the sense that her house didn't really have like life to it in its decor. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can bring a space to life on a budget. She did this very thrifty, really affordable. And so hopefully it encourages you if you guys have a space you've been wanting to make over, but you think this is going to cost so much money, I need to do so much elaborate stuff, and you don't have to. Sometimes it's just some paint and some furniture and it can really pull a space together. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have to say that somewhere in the mix, some of my footage got lost. So we're kind of just jumping right into the video. I lost my before shots and I lost me painting some of the area. I lost my intro. I don't know. I think it just got deleted when I was doing her back porch. I did it at the same time as well. So I think maybe I accidentally deleted it. I don't know if I didn't press start for some of it. I don't know. Something's odd. I'm missing a good kind of chunk of video. There's still lots, but it's why this video is a lot shorter. There's also a part which I will be doing this in reel form, and I know I still have those clips. I'll probably insert some into this video, but I did the scariest feat ever of putting the ladder up so high on the windows. You won't see it, like I said, in this video, but it was so high. And it was so scary, and I was praying to Jesus the whole time. So anyways, yeah, that did not make it in here, and I wish it did because it was scary. But I just hope that this inspires you and encourages you and that you guys enjoy this video. I do also want to say, just because of where we are, maybe I shouldn't be saying this, I don't know, but it's been a heavy week. And you know, lots been going on in the world. And so I just want to remind you guys that God is on the throne and that Jesus wins, and we have hope in him. So if you've been feeling scared or afraid or sad or discouraged, just that reminder. So I love you guys, and I'm praying for everybody. I'm praying for our nation, praying for our world, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. All right, you guys, let's dive in. So as you can see, we've already started painting. Like I said, I lost some of the original footage. I don't even know. But this is pretty much what my sister's dining room looked like. It was table and chairs. And like, that's it. I'm not kidding. And some plants. She's always loved the minimal style, but thankfully she's starting to come around a little bit to some more wood tones. So we're definitely going to warm up this space. And so we started by getting rid of the millennial gray and adding in this beautiful white. I think she chose Alabaster by Sherwin-Williams and lightened it to 75%. I'm pretty sure. I will double check on that. And you might be thinking you're just going gray to white, but white is a really good neutral. Honestly, you guys, I still love it so much. I think it's so beautiful and you can do so much with it. Whereas to me, gray is just a little dead. It's okay. It's okay, guys. We'll be okay. Clara! What? Wait, my floors are. Clara, don't talk. If they're don't talk. More work. Is it too straight up? I don't know. You said you could do this. Clara, I'm doing it. My walls are white. Okay. It feels very straight up. No, you're leaning. Doesn't feel like it. Oh, you're fine. It's like right there. Again, I'm not scared of the height. I just like, I don't want to fall. So this is the area that I didn't show you guys. So directly opposite this, and you can kind of see it in the last clip a little bit, there are windows. And actually you're going to see it right here to the right of that. I had to do that spot. It was so high and so freaky, and it was windows, and I had to go all the way to the top. And I can't believe I didn't film it, but it was very scary, but I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, you guys, the walls are painted. I barely made it out alive. Party. So now we are going to slowly bring some more life back into the space. And so we're gonna start by changing out the table from just white, which there's no problem with white. I had a white table, I love it. It's clean, especially when you got kiddos and they make messes. The white is just calming. But we're gonna bring in so much more warmth with a wood table that my sister actually found on Facebook Marketplace for free. And we don't know if it works. So we're gonna try it out and see what happens. So as I said, my sister found this gorgeous solid wood table on Facebook Marketplace, and it was originally $75, but when she got there, Clara was unsure because she said it looks like it's supposed to have brackets all the way down the middle, if you guys can see that, and she was right. And we found that out the hard way, so just keep watching. Oh my gosh. Hello you guys, it is a new day back at Clara's. So much has happened since the beginning of this video. You guys will only have seen this in one video. I have laid bricks. All of the bricks happened between the painting of this house and now. And so today we are gonna go ahead and add the beautiful details. Thankfully, this is a hopefully much simpler project than anything that ever happens at my house. So we're gonna hang some beautiful curtains, and then we also have a sideboard. Gonna go over here, add some art, some sconces, you guys. We're gonna make Clara's house feel like a home, finally. She's lived here for how many years? 5 years, and we're gonna add the warmth in. I'm so excited. Why are you laughing?
She's moving out.
She's moving out. Okay, well, we're gonna get it ready to stage to sell. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and start hanging a curtain. We just got some curtains off Amazon, which looks like a magic wand. And so honestly, Clara was a little unsure of adding curtains, but I made her do it. I got these from Homerilla, so they were gifted to me, but they are so beautiful, the pleated curtains, and they just warm up a space, and they just act like a frame around a picture, honestly. And even she was like, okay, I see the vision and I love it. Okay, the curtains are up, they look so good. There's lots of children here, it's all good and having fun. But I'm gonna go ahead and hang up, she got these sconces on either side, they're gonna be so cute. So you guys know that I have Harvey. Well, Clara has 3 boys. She's got 3 boys, and so the house was a little bit loud. It was a little bit chaotic, but that's how you do life together. But that is why you're getting mainly me talking over this, because if I had all of the noise on, it would essentially be that last clip times 10. But are these sconces not beautiful? And they come with a rechargeable battery for the lights, so you don't even need to hardwire them in. You can use them anywhere you want. I will have them linked down below. So cute. Okay guys, my sister found actually a hutch on Facebook Marketplace. This came with a top piece and she ended up just keeping the bottom, but there are some noticeable just discolorations in it. And you know, we're trying to make this an easy and affordable and time sensitive project. And so we're gonna try Restore Finish. I've tried this on one piece before, I didn't have the greatest luck, but I see so many people use it and it works so well. And just based off of the ones that I've seen and also like what's on the bottle, I think it should work on this. So this is the color Walnut, and I'm pretty sure this should match well. And we're just gonna rub it all over and say a prayer that it looks good. So one way to save money on any room makeover is to thrift your furniture. You guys, I used to be of the mindset of IKEA because that's what I was taught going into college was IKEA furniture. And then I quickly realized IKEA furniture, no offense, but it's made from nothing. And so if you can get a real solid piece from the thrift store for probably half, if not less than the price of an IKEA furniture, do it. So like I said, she got this one for free and you can sand it down, refinish it any way you want. Like we said, we were making this a little bit more of a quick makeover, a little bit of a touch up. So this didn't do perfect, but I think it did a really good job of making it look so nice. And honestly, if you're someone new coming in, you don't really even notice the blemishes. They just kind of look like an old piece of furniture and it's really beautiful. So definitely thrift your furniture. You can go to estate sales, you can do Facebook Marketplace, Habitat for Humanity, so many good options.
We ended up adding curtains to the living room just so it would be more cohesive, having the same ones in the living and dining room because she does have open concept. I love the way that these lie. She had hers unlined too, so she can have the beautiful sunlight streaming in. And then another way to add a big impact on a low budget is getting a rug. So she did look on Facebook Marketplace, but unfortunately the one she ended up getting just didn't work for the space. So she sold that one, and then with that money, she ended up buying this one on Amazon. It actually has more green to it. I'll have it linked down below, but it's such a good way to add impact and color in a space is through your rug. And then we just added some simple decor touches. All of these were thrifted except for that one picture, and a beautiful candle, of course, McKenna, we love her. And just some simple styling touches, you guys. It doesn't have to be expensive to make over your space. So a quick before and after. Guys, this was minimal effort, and if I didn't have to do the bricks, it would have been done in a day. But so beautiful, so much more welcoming, and honestly, I wish you could see it in person because the feeling of home in this space, like we both said it, it was just like, this is amazing. It felt so cozy and so beautiful. So I hope that this inspires you and that you'll go tackle your next room makeover, and make sure to tag me at Heart and Home Crew on Instagram. I would love to see. Hope this inspires you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoyed this makeover. Like I said, very short, very sweet, you know, hopefully something to just kind of keep your mind off things. And we were going to make this a whole series and kind of go room to room. We were going to do her living room next. However, she's now considering moving. She kind of hinted at that in the video. So her mind isn't so much on decorating anymore. Maybe we still will, you know, kind of like a staged idea, same thing as the dining room. It was very simple, but it made it really beautiful. Or it might be, you know, we won't revisit her home, and when she moves into her next space, we'll be doing many makeovers. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this makeover, and make sure to subscribe if you aren't already, because I've got lots of fun things coming. Next week's video for you guys is going to be a fall thrifted decor style thing because I did a thrift haul and you guys asked to see it all styled. So most of it I will be styling in the next video. I'll also be putting my fall decor out, and there are a couple new pieces of fall decor that I just thrifted that I will be showing you as I'm styling it. So it's kind of a mashup, but it's essentially a fall decorating video, and so far so good. I'm like halfway done it. So I hope you guys enjoy that next week. Come back at 2 p.m. Make sure you're subscribed. I love you guys so much. God is good. Jesus is my Lord and Savior, and I hope you have a great week. Bye guys.